Hi to all. Today I'm going to make a sheath for this knife. I need to form the front of this sheath. Take a piece of plywood and outline with pen using knife as a template. Outline once more, leaving a margin of 2 or 3 millimeters. Cut out the middle part by jigsaw. Now I am going to work in a surface with file to make it more accurate. Also remove the bevel from this side. That will cover the leather. This is what I have got. I didn't work the upper side since I won't need it. Rub the knife to protect it from moisture. Take a piece of vegetable tanned leather. Cover the knife with leather and leave about 2 centimeters on each side, except for the top. Align the top edge. I am not going to cut it anymore. Remove the bevel by beveler. Now I need a container of suitable size. Fill it with warm water and some PVA glue to make leather firm and prevent it from losing its shape. Stir well and sink the leather for about 10 minutes. From time to time make it out of the water and gently rumple with fingers. I place the knife on a wooden board and cover it with leather. Nail the corners. Later I will cut them off. Carefully place our plywood blank on top so that the leather won't move anywhere. Hold with clamps and leave it. It took about 24 hours to get the leather dry. Let's check what we got. Cut off the corners. Here is the front part. It's still wet on edge, so I will let it dry for some time. Make marks to cut out the front part. Then mark the back part with the top flap and cut it out. Don't forget to check the parts while cutting. Trim the flap. I make a groove for thread by a groover. The groove will be parallel to the edge. I begin to punch holes. I dip the chisel into the wax so that the holes will be more accurate. I use 2-prong chisel for curves. Fine, I am done this part. It is a time for the back part. Join both parts to mark the first hole. Make a groove on the inside. When it's done, I bevel the flap edge. Pin a hole for snap. Make hole by puncture. Also make a small cut about 3 mm long. Check that snap goes in well. I use awl to pin the second hole in the front part. Punch the hole. Scrape some leather on the inside. There will be a patch which will prevent the knife from screw scratches. I cut a belt loop. Measure by punch holes. Make a groove for thread. It's okay if the groove isn't perfectly straight. It seam that matters. Now I'll punch holes for the belt loop. I check myself all the time. Also make a groove. It's a time to paint. I choose the oil-based paint. Paint everything carefully. Holes, edges. Leave it to dry. I am going to make a patch to cover the screw. Cut a piece of the leather 2 cm wide and 2 cm long. I wasn't able to find thin leather, that's why I will make this thinner. The patch is ready. First I sew the belt loop onto the back part. I use stitching pony, which I have made by myself. I forgot to work the edge on the belt loop. It's not too late. Now I can set the patch. Clean surfaces using sandpaper. Apply the glue on both surfaces. Let it to dry. Then glue together, hit by hammer to make it stick better. Before sewing, I will wrap my fingers with paper tape to protect them. The thread should be 5 times as long as the seam. You can work the edge with grinder or sandpaper. I apply the edge coat, wait till it dry and polish. I use the horn. Apply the back cut. Then remove the excess with sponge and polish. This is the result. Now my knife has a home for many years to come. Thanks for watching, bye bye.